Hey guys, it's Info Girl, and let's get right into it. So, today we have a lender by the name of Avant. Now, this credit card is specifically for helping you rebuild your personal credit. And I do recommend this credit card if you have a low 580 or 669. Now, the good thing about this credit card is there is no security deposit required, which is always great, especially if you have no credit, bad credit, or trying to rebuild your personal credit. Okay. Now, another thing about this company is they do have a APR of 29.99%, and the annual fee for this card is $39. Okay. And another thing is they offer not just credit cards, but payday loans. So if you are in need of any type of finances for any expense, you could be approved with bad credit. Okay. So they are just trying to help everyone out, which I like. Now, when I did apply for this credit card, I was a pre-approved for the full max of $5,000. Now, for this credit card for pre-approval, there is no hard inquiry on your credit score whatsoever. But of course, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there will be a hard inquiry on your credit report. Okay. So again, if you are looking to rebuild your credit or possibly apply for a payday loan, I suggest that you go ahead and head to Avant.com. And of course, if you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.